Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel HT Subject Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about World Sleep Day. World Sleep Day is an annual event intended to be a celebration of sleep and call to action on important issues related to sleep, including medicine, education, social aspects, and driving. It is organized by the World Sleep Day Committee of the World Sleep Society and aims to lessen the burden of sleep problems on society through better prevention and management of sleep disorders. World Sleep Day has drawn attention from media and celebrities around the globe. World Sleep Day is held the Friday before spring vernal equinox of each year. More than 88 countries around the world have participated in World Sleep Day. The hashtag World Sleep Day has been a trending topic on Twitter for the past 3 years running. Sleep is a vital part of our mental and physical well being. Although opinions vary as to how much you need, it's recommended that 7 to 9 hours per night is right for most adults. These varies between individuals. Some of us need more and some less, but we can all recognize the difference when we have had enough sleep to feel refreshed, recharged, and ready for the day ahead. You are probably already aware of the impact a poor night's sleep can have, but it can affect many aspects of our physical and mental health. For example, poor sleep can have a serious impact on our physical health. A lack of sleep can make it harder to think clearly, reduce immunity, cause weight loss issues, and lead to increased risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes. Mental health and well being. Research has shown that a poor night's sleep can reduce our ability to manage our emotions, impact on impulse control, reduce positive thinking, increase worry, and lead to or worsen depression. Issues with sleep are nothing new. However, experts suggest that the COVID pandemic has caused further negative effects on our sleep. A 2020 study from King's College London and Ipsos Mori found that 63% of those interviewed said their sleep has been worse since March 2020. The theme of year 2021 is regular sleep, healthy future. So share this day on social media using the hashtag World Sleep Day and let your friends, family and followers know how essential sleep can be for people everywhere. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below for more videos. Thank you.